Are you seeking to deepen your spiritual power and connect with your inner self? In this video, we invite you to unlock the secrets to expanding your spiritual power through the principles of Buddhism. Lesson 1. Embrace silence. Silence is a sacred space. In Buddhism, silence is not just the absence of sound. It is a way to meet your inner self. It helps you listen to your heart. Silence creates a bridge between your mind and the present moment. When you sit in silence, you hear your true thoughts. You feel your breath. You begin to sense your own energy. This is where spiritual power begins. In daily life, the world is loud. People talk, music plays, and thoughts race. All these sounds fill your head. They make it hard to hear what is important. They block your inner light. Silence clears that path. In silence, you understand more. You see things clearly. You notice the small beauty in life. Practice silence every day. It does not have to be long. Even 5 minutes can help. Find a quiet place, sit or stand. Do nothing. Just breathe. Let your thoughts come and go. Do not hold them. Do not fight them. Just let them pass. With practice, your mind will rest. This resting mind is the first doorway to power. When your mind rests, it becomes light. It becomes clear. You start to feel calm. This calmness is strong. It protects you from stress. It helps you stay grounded. Silence brings peace, and peace brings wisdom. You do not have to search for answers. They come to you in silence. In Buddhism, monks sit in silence for hours. They train their minds to be still. This stillness is not weakness, it is strength. From this strength, compassion grows, patience grows. Silence gives birth to kindness. A silent heart is a kind heart. Silence also teaches you how to act. When your mind is quiet, your actions become wise. You do not speak in anger. You do not act in fear. You move with calm. You speak with love. You become the person your soul wants you to be. Keep silence as a daily practice, not just with sound, but also with thought. Let your mind rest in silence. Give yourself time to feel still. Your inner world will open. You will feel a quiet joy. That joy is your true nature. That joy is your spiritual power. That every time you return to silence, you return to your center. The more you practice, the deeper you go. And in this deep space, your spiritual light grows. You begin to shine. You begin to heal. You begin to understand life in a new way. Lesson 2. Live one truth. Living your truth brings strength. In Buddhism, truth is simple. It is honest. It is clear. It lives in the heart, not the mind. Living one truth means being true to yourself. It means walking a path that feels right. It means doing what your soul knows is good. Your truth is not what others say. It is not a role. It is not a mask. It is not what you are told to be. Your truth is the way you were born to live. It is your own voice. When you live it, you feel peace. You feel whole. You feel light. Many people live with many faces. One for family, one for work, one for friends. But this divides the soul. It causes stress. It creates confusion. You cannot grow strong if you live in pieces. You must be one. You must be real. Living your truth may be hard. People may not understand. Some may walk away. But peace comes when you no longer betray yourself. This peace is deeper than comfort. It is deeper than praise. It is the peace of being real. Start small. Notice what feels honest. Speak kindly but truly. Do not hide your feelings. Do not lie. To please others, stand in your truth, even if you shake. Over time, you grow steady. You grow powerful. The Buddha lived one truth. He left a life of riches to follow his path. He chose peace over comfort. He chose wisdom over fame. His life was not easy, but his truth gave him power. It gave him light. That light helped millions. Your truth may not look big, but it matters. Every time you live with honesty, you shine. You become someone others trust. You become someone your soul respects. This self-respect builds deep spiritual power. Living your truth also brings freedom. You do not waste energy hiding. You do not fear being found out. You do not change to please. You are free. This freedom opens the heart. It helps you love deeply. It helps you forgive. It helps you heal. One truth is enough. You do not need many. Just one truth, lived every day. That is your power. That is your gift. And it is enough. Lesson 3. Grow through pain. Pain is a teacher. In Buddhism, pain is not the end, it is the beginning. Pain opens the door to growth. It breaks the shell around your heart. It makes you feel. It wakes you up. Pain shows you where you need healing. It shows you what matters. It helps you see what is real. You may not want pain, but you need it. Without pain, you would not change. You would not grow. The Buddha taught that life has suffering, but he also taught that suffering can be used. You can grow from it. You can rise. You can become stronger, wiser, and more loving. When pain comes, do not run. Do not hide. Sit with it. Feel it. Let it speak. Let it move through you. Trust that you will not break. You are stronger than your pain. You are deeper than your fear. Pain is like fire. It burns away what is false. It leaves what is true. It cleans your heart. It clears your mind. After pain, you see differently. You feel more. You love more. That is the gift of pain. Use pain as a mirror. Ask what it is showing you. Maybe you need to let go. Maybe you need to forgive. Maybe you need to change. Let pain guide you. It will not stay forever, but its lessons will. When you grow through pain, you gain wisdom. You understand others better. You become kinder. You do not judge. You become gentle. That gentleness is strength. That wisdom is power. Pain is not punishment. It is part of life. It comes to all, but not all grow from it. Choose to grow. Choose to learn. Let pain make you better. Let it teach you love. Let it teach you peace. Every wound can be sacred. Every tear can become light. When you rise from pain, you rise new. You rise pure. You rise whole. That is spiritual growth. That is power. Lesson 4. Reflect nightly. Each day is a step on your path. Each night is a time to pause. Reflection helps you grow. It helps you stay awake. It brings light to your journey. In Buddhism, self-reflection is a strong tool. It keeps the heart clean. It keeps the mind clear. It helps you live with purpose. It helps you walk with care. Each night, take a few minutes, sit in silence, think about your day. What did you say? What did you feel? What did you do? Look with soft eyes. Do not judge, just see. Notice your good actions. Be thankful for them. Notice your mistakes. Learn from them. Do not feel shame. Just be honest. Each night is a time to grow, a time to begin again. Reflection brings balance. It keeps you from drifting. It helps you stay true. You see what needs change. You see what brings peace. You understand your heart better. You can also reflect on kindness. Did you help someone today? Did you smile? Did you listen? These moments matter. They grow your soul. They build your power. Reflection also brings rest. When you understand your day, your mind becomes calm. You sleep in peace. You wake with hope. That peace grows your light. That hope fuels your strength. But make reflection a habit. Do it gently. Do it with care. Let it become a soft light in your day. A quiet moment of truth. A gentle touch to your soul. Over time, you will change. You will become more aware, more kind, more alive. You will feel your power growing. You will feel your soul rising. That is the gift of nightly reflection. Lesson 5. Forgive to be free. Forgiveness is freedom. In Buddhism, forgiveness is not weakness. It is power. It is a way to clean the heart. It is a way to end pain. When you hold anger, it burns you. When you hold hate, it hurts you. The one who hurt you may be gone, but their shadow stays inside you. Forgiveness removes that shadow. It clears your light. Forgiveness does not mean you accept wrong. It means you choose peace. You choose to stop carrying pain. You choose to live free. Start with yourself. Forgive your own mistakes. You are human. You are learning. Be kind to yourself. That kindness is healing. That healing is power that then forgive others. Not for them, for you, so your heart can be light, so your soul can breathe, so your spirit can rise. Forgiveness takes time, but each step helps. Say the words, feel the release. Let go of the weight. Let your heart open. Let your peace return. A forgiving heart is a powerful heart. It is not bitter. It is not cold. It is warm. It is strong. It can love again. It can trust again. Forgiveness builds bridges. It brings people together. It ends cycles of pain. It starts new paths. It makes space for joy. Let forgiveness be your path. Choose it each day. Choose peace over pain. Choose love over hate. Choose light over dark. Lesson 6. Be fully present. Now is the only time that is real. In Buddhism, the present moment is sacred. It is where life happens. It is where you find peace. It is where your power grows. When your mind is in the past, you feel regret. When it is in the future, you feel fear. But when it is in the now, you feel peace. You feel calm. You feel alive. Being present means you notice. You see the sky. You feel your breath. You hear the sound of life. You taste your food. You listen with care. This deep noticing opens your heart. It opens your spirit. It makes life full. It makes life rich. Being present also means being with people, not just near them, but with them, listening, seeing, feeling. This builds love. This builds trust. This builds peace. Practice being here. When you walk, walk. When you eat, eat. When you talk, listen. Do not rush. Do not drift. Come back to now. Lesson 7. Move with purpose. Purpose gives power. In Buddhism, life is not random. It has meaning. Every step matters. Every breath counts. Moving with purpose means knowing why you act, why you speak, why you choose. When you know your why, your life becomes clear. Your steps become strong. Live with intention. Do not drift. Choose your path. Follow your heart. Stay true to your values. Purpose also brings peace. It ends confusion. It ends doubt. It fills your days with meaning. Even small acts can be full of purpose. A kind word, a silent prayer, a deep breath, all can be sacred. All can build your power. Let your life be guided by love, by truth, by light. Let each step be a step of peace. Move with purpose. Live with heart. Let your journey be true. Let your soul shine. That is your path. That is your power. That is your peace.